Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. If you haven't been to us already, my name's Ardil and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm walking you around a brand new 21 plate Mercedes E300 hybrid for a detachable tow bar. I'm going to be walking you through how we've done the installation, as well as how you guys can get booked in with us today. So in terms of the installation that we've carried out, what we've done is installed a detachable tow bar to the highest possible installation standards, plus a full what's called dedicated wiring loom. And that's a very important part, that we've gone for a dedicated wiring. That happens on any install that we do. A dedicated wiring loom, what is it? Basically, it goes in and the wiring goes into given points from manufacturer. Not only does that retain the actual safety features of the vehicle like ABS, but it also gives you more fuel in first and fifth gear and all sorts of different variations that happen behind the scenes to enable your car to be as safe as possible, to keep you guys safe when you guys are towing. So it's very important that the vehicle has a dedicated wiring loom. However, one of the key things on these new Mercedes is the coding of them. We do all of the coding in-house, so you're not having to go back to the manufacturer to do that. We can actually do that here in our workshop facilities. So what we do is on these Mercedes, we recode them to tell the computer in the car that we've got a whole new tow bar system installed, and it's all done to manufacturer spec in terms of how we've actually gone in and installed the equipment. We actually carry out these installs on behalf of the manufacturers themselves, exactly like this one. This is actually going out to the customer very, very soon after it's been spec'd with the tow bar. So it's all complete now. Customer's going to be collecting the car, dealer's going to be collecting the car and then delivering that straight over to the customer. So I'm sure they're going to be over the moon with the finished product. The best thing about the system is it's completely invisible. The detachable back neck is actually really easy to deinstall. Basically, all you do is you pull out the housing, you twist it, and the neck comes out, goes in the boot, gets stored away, and the electrics fold away as well. So it's completely invisible. It's a really, really nice, discreet solution for adding a tow bar into your vehicle. So the other thing we've done with this is fully recoded it and added the dedicated wiring loom. So it's very, very important that this is all done to the highest possible standards. So thank you very much for watching our very short video. If you're interested in getting in touch or want the system installed into your vehicle, hit the subscribe button below and mention us in the comments below. Drop us an email on any of our social media platforms and we'll get in touch and go from there. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon.